Hello, hello, hello. We are here on a beautiful Monday in the Apostolic Church in Sun Valley. And this client of ours is actually a very good client of ours from one of the schools that we always are renovating. And this is a church that he attends, and he said he would like some assistance with some water problems. So, the water problems. Oh, by the way, look at that architecture. How stunning is that? The water issues that they are experiencing is bubbling. But this is not any standard bubbling. This is a very specific bubbling, something that we refer to as rising dampness. Now, how do I know rising dampness when I see it? Rising dampness only rises to 1.5 meters, and due to gravity, cannot rise any further. So it's 1.5 meters from foot level. So yeah, I'm short 1.7, 1.5, or just above. If I stand at foot level, that dampness is sitting at 1.5. They have rising dampness. Why? Let's go outside and have a look-see. So we are outside. Man, oh man, look at that blue sky. Client states that they had this wall here plastered a year or two ago. It used to look like that. Now, when I see walls plastered, I want to see one thing on a wall this high, and with an exposed floor level that is higher. That is expansion joints. However, we see no expansion joints. However, you see a crack where an expansion joint should be. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is where that water is sliding through there. Now, what is an expansion joint? An expansion joint is usually made when you have a difference between two materials. Usually that is concrete and a brick that starts on top of concrete, because brick as one material and concrete below expand and contract at a different rate. You have to put an expansion joint in there that allows the two separate materials to expand and contract differently without forming a crack for water to come through. However, our special builders, whoever they may be, did not do the expansion joint and plastered directly over two materials that expand and contract differently. So we are going to have to rip off this section to find that joint, and we are going to have to redo the expansion joint over there. That will stop that crack from coming through, and then we'll have to do the rest of this wall.